It's the eye of Blitzkrieg. He's the brain of Blitzkrieg. They connected each other in 1941 in North Africa, where legendary stories of both sides were going to happen. Today I'm going to build this Sd.Kfz.223 from Tamiya. It must be so familiar to most modelers. It was released in 1974 and still makes some sense today. Because it's an unfinished project since a long time ago, so we will start it from here, the black and white stage. First of all, I'm going to upgrade the details by 3D printing products, such as the lifting hooks, the convoy light, and the MG34 machine gun. Most of them are from the brand Heavy Hobby, and the rest of them are made by wasted PE parts. The kit contains a very simple interior. Part of it could be seen after assembling, so I need to get it ready before the next step. I use machinery grid to unify the whole. In terms of the German desert yellow camouflage, I prepare to apply 3 layers for it. They are in the same tone, and each of the layers is lighter than the previous one. After the basic airbrush painting, I hand brush the components with the colors that they are supposed to be. I don't like the PE parts within the box, so I homemade this anti-grenade metal shelter. As I didn't cover the wheels while airbrushing, so you could see the paint was slightly splashed on the rubber tire. Instead of hand brushing rubber color on it, I prefer directly bin washing it with black enamel paint. It's a lazy, easy way and isn't going to create any impact on the final result. The chipping effect contains 3 layers. The first layer is to destroy the surface with a much lighter tone. The second layer is to apply rustic brown, right at the centers where the original colors was removed. And finally, we can end it with a rusty enamel wash. Obviously, this figure is going to stay inside the vehicle forever. To help him kill his eternal time, what I can do is to leave him a bottle of beer. For me, the biggest challenge in this storage part is to make the fix of supplies look reasonable. It's my first time trying several techniques. In these final touches, I use highly diluted oil paint to create water flow effects. And apply rustic enamel wash on certain rustic areas. Voila, that's it. Very likely I'm going to film a short narrative video with this build. Let's see how it will work. And if you enjoy this video, please like, comment, forward, or just watch the video. Any kind of interaction will be a great help on the channel. Hey modelers, let's keep collecting, finding excuses not to build them, challenging your career rather than your hobby, enjoying the company of your girlfriend rather than the class ticket, but graduate very soon from the model academic. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
You look happy